You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck. You suck.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. I am Wild Rider, and I'm here to talk to you about criticism. Now, one of the things in which I've come across is that not a lot of people can take criticism real well. Or, those people who like to criticize don't give a good enough definition of exactly what is wrong with, well, why they don't like a certain thing. I mean, I look forward to criticism. I take it in a stride. It's like, alright, I'll try this idea next time. I'll try this. But I prefer to have a full idea exactly what someone doesn't exactly like. It's like, other than saying, your content's boring. Well, what's boring about it? Yes, I have a tendency to go on at times. Fortunately, I happen to suffer from depression, anxiety, and ADHD. So anything that comes into my head, it comes out of my mouth. Sometimes I manage to keep it internally. Other times, it ends up getting spoken outwards. Say, like to you guys. Now, because of COVID going on right now, I can't seem to shrink like what I normally would. So, this is exactly where I'm at right now, and this is part of my therapy. And it kind of pisses me off a little bit. But it's who I am. Don't like it, that's fine. Pretty sure there's other people that'll like it just as fine as well. But I prefer honest criticism, clear and concise, versus, I don't like this about your content. It's boring. Increases my depression, increases my anxiety, and so on. So that's exactly what's going on today, and that's what the subject is. Have you been criticized before? I'm pretty sure most of everybody has been criticized. Right now, I'm not exactly too happy. Stay focused on topic. So, I will try to do that more from now on. Honest criticism means a lot to me. Okay, now I feel a little bit better. So, today's just going to be a real short video. If you like this little rant that I did, go ahead and click that like button, and please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next ride.